drop this on me like a bag.
What the fuck is that, man?
Did you get to grab on the chicken? I didn't know if you did or not.
No, you good.
Okay. So I put the chicken on top of the mashed potatoes.
Ain't got no whole train, man.
See that is beautiful meal.
Thank you, Austin.
Oh, no. Back up in here. And just like I said, told y'all if I ever seen her again, I was gonna get her.
Okay.
Just like that, I ended up with a bad bitch, the money, and Pat gotta hit something. Hell, we double cupped up.
What's it about? Ooh, how's that chicken? And it's tender. It's juicy. A little bit. I'm supposed to have my mic on. Okay. The tender. The simplicity of it. Right.
Hey, what in the? Every day.
What would you go for next? Mm-hmm.
Family's lives scattered by the senseless acts of abuse. Today I'm here to tell you that enough is enough.
And it's cooked on the inside. It ain't pink. It's crispy.
What is that? It's white. That is white. It ain't pink. It's white. It's done.
Another wrinkle? That's irritating. But your retinol? New Olay Retinol 24 delivers pro-level results without all that irritation. Our Pro Retinol formula, now upgraded to
Only 0.5.
accelerates
I'm getting
cellular
5
turnover.
years.